Dum da da dum. Hear ye, delivery from the Mattress King. You, Miss Geller?
Okay.
Signed here.
Ooh, do I have a middle name? All right, Monica Falula Geller. Okay, it's that bedroom there.
You're pretty good at this.
Yeah, well, I had to learn. I was staying at the Y, and some of the young men weren't acting Christian enough.
Hey, now. Hey! Ow! And I'm bleeding.
Oh.
Okay, great.
Wow, and I'm a vegetarian. All right, well, I'm sorry, we'll put some ice on it.
Okay.
Put your head back.
All right.
Oh,
I can't see.
I have you. Oh, God.
Which bedroom do you want it in, Miss Geller?
Oh, it's the compulsively neat one by the window, okay?
Gotcha.